Hello. So today we are going to try this makeup look like a dark feminine vibe. Anyways, let's do this. So our first step is applying foundation. And yeah, I forgot to color correct my under eyes. Anyways, let's do this with a red lipstick. I don't have any color correction palettes. That's why I doing this. Now I'm applying foundation again and smudging the color correction with a brush. Next step is applying concealer on my high point of my face, like side of my eye, side of my nose, and bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose. Also, I mean forehead and the side of my cheeks, both sides, okay, and my chin. And I think I applied on my under eyes. As you can see, there is still the red color. I mean lipstick, and on upper and lower of my eyebrows and side of my lips. This is where I want, I mean, the area where I want pop up even more, the high points. Next I'm applying blush like a W hack, something like that, a blush hack, right? And also my chin and nose. Now I'm applying a little bit of brown eyeshadow for a base, like the area of my eyes are like a circular motion. It's only for the base, okay. Anyway, next I'm moving on my eyebrows. Firstly I'm just combing my eyebrows, then filling it with a dark eyeshadow like a black eyeshadow. I'm filling it really well. I forgot to thread my eyebrows. Anyways, I'm going to thread it soon. Not right now. I need a holidays for that. And as you can see, my two eyebrows are like different. That is why I tried really hard to make it perfect like each other. Anyways, now I'm coloring my nose with a light brown eyeshadow. Now I'm applying a white base shade on tip of my nose and the area, the bridge of my nose, okay, and a little bit of highlighter, a shimmer shade, okay, not highlighter, a shimmer shade eyeshadow. Yes, I'm not going to use highlighter today. Anyways, now I'm lining my lips with a red lipstick. Today I need a red or burgundy shade of look for that feminine vibe. Now applying a lipstick, a red lipstick as you can see, and now a dark brown eyeshadow for that burgundy or maroon shade. Now applying it again and again to get that kind of vibe. And now I'm using a red lipstick like burgundy, okay, this shade is burgundy, like a outline, only for outline, okay. I'm blending with a brush. As you can see, this is how my lips turned out. Anyways, now I'm contouring my cheeks area and my jawline. Yeah, you can see with the eyeshadow, okay, like a brownish, and the forehead of my side of my foreheads. And yeah, now I am applying highlighter on my nose bridge and tip of my nose. I really do like this looks today. Anyways, blending with a brush, and now we are moving on to eyes. This is how I do my eyeliner. It's kind of hard, even though I just make it done. I mean, I done it somehow, I just managed it. Anyways, this is, I don't know if you can clearly see it or not. If you need a tutorial for the eye look, just tell me in the comment box. Anyways, now I mean, guys, you can see the eye yourself clearly right now, right? Because I just applied a light brown eyeshadow before my the eyeshadow, right? Now I just drawing eye yourself with a maroon eyeshadow and using a white base shade on my eye yourself. Now applying a highlighter on my eye yourself, okay, sorry, to pop up it even more. Now applying a black eyeshadow upper of my eyes, like you can see like a hooded look, something like that, just blending it upper and lower. Now I'm doing it on my other eyes. Now applying concealer under my eyebrows and under of my eyes because I want to remove the messy look. That is why. And blending with a beauty blender, I just drop it on water and squeeze it. And now that is how I always do my watery structure things like foundation or concealer. Now applying highlighter on my apple of my cheeks and nose bridge also, my chin, okay, sorry. And now curling my lashes, applying mascara upper and lower. And yeah, this is how my final look turned out. And yeah, I forgot to say I'm going to apply a red lipstick again. So that's all for today, guys. If you do like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and tell me if you have anything to say for this look. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.